Today we are going to be talking about a quite different topic than what we have been. This is actually about about possible winter storms. So there's right now blizzard watches, winter storm warnings, and there may be some gusty winds along with that. So there may be even a blizzard. As you can see, the snowstorm starts in Canada, goes through the Rocky Mountains into the Four Corners states, then brings a severe weather threat to Texas, and creates a severe weather threat for the Midwest. The European model shows it's starting in Canada like the other one and gets really strong in the Four Corners states, then brings a very marginal risk to Texas and doesn't do much to Ohio. I get that the temperatures are very warm, but if you look at this in higher elevation, you're going to see 20s and 30s and potentially up to 60-degree Fahrenheit drop. So it is going to be very cold in the higher elevations in the Rocky Mountains. Now, lastly, let's look at the temperature anomalies and look at how much colder than average that is. That's minus 15, that's 15 below average. And right in this area, you can see it get very cold, even in some areas, minus 20 below average. Ignore the spots that are warm, though. In the next 24 hours, as you can see, there's a little streak of some snow, but there's really not much. In 48 hours, there are located areas of 1 to 2 feet. And then finally, in 72 hours, there are at this point located areas of 3 feet. Reason why this is not going to be shifted by the jet stream and head away from the area that I said it was going to hit is because if you look at this map, look at how low the jet stream gets, and that's right in where its path is. The southern Four Corners states in 3 days has a severe weather risk because of the snowstorm, and the northern small patch, the one in the northern Four Corners states, those may experience thunder snow in higher elevations. Now here is the areas of instability, and this instability is very important in forecasting severe weather, in this case the severe weather that was once a snowstorm. Back to the main point, it started in Canada, went into the northwest, and then got a lot more widespread, and then it went into the north central. Then once it will reach the north central, it is going to get a lot more widespread, like even more, and then it's going to get a lot stronger, and then potentially go into the central. Then once it reaches the central US, there are going to be localized reports of 3 feet as soon as it reaches there, and then it will go ahead and die off and become a severe weather threat. Bye, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video.